Well, that's a very good question, because data center design is, in fact, Bixby just produced a new standard. I think it was 941 on the data center design. What data centers have long been, well, of course, an essential part. They've been really gaining a lot of momentum because a lot more are being built. Now, the problem with data centers is that they are, power hogs. They use a lot of energy. So that's been the biggest thing. I mean, not only if you want a data center, can you actually get power there? You can't just say you want to put a data center in a certain spot. You got to make sure the power there, the grid will allow it wherever you're at. Now, with the data center design, I notice you'll have a raised floor design and pretty much a no raised floor design, with pretty much everything routed overhead in cable trays and ladder racking. Now, in the raised floor design, the traditional method is to have a hot aisle and a cold aisle. You'll have the cold aisle is where, it's the back of the equipment. It's the perforated, it's got the holes in the tiles that'll blow up the cold air from the bottom of the raised floor and cool down the equipment. It's not the best system, but it's been working. Now, they've tried to make that better throughout the years, which they have. One thing I've been seeing is a lot of people have been putting fiber underneath, basically lower underneath the raised floor, and putting the copper cabling up above, since heat rises. And if you have just a few copper cables, not a big deal, but you start getting to hundreds or thousands, that's a heat issue, and that makes the equipment run hot. Another method I've seen is just having a lot more cable tray up above and routing the fiber on one side, copper on the other.